Ben and the Busy Bees. Little Ben loved to play in the garden. It was full of bright, colorful flowers and sweet smells. But there was one thing Ben was afraid of: the busy, buzzing bees. "Yikes!" he would cry, and run inside whenever one flew too close. One afternoon, the sky turned dark gray, and a strong wind began to blow. A big storm was coming. Ben watched from the safety of his window as the wind and rain lashed the garden, tossing the flowers back and forth. After the storm passed, the sun came out and made everything sparkle. Ben went outside. The garden was a mess. Leaves and petals were scattered everywhere. Then he saw that a huge branch had broken off the old apple tree. Ben walked closer to the fallen branch. He heard a strange, quiet buzzing sound. Tucked among the leaves was a beehive, but it was cracked and broken. Little bees were crawling all around it, looking lost and confused. Seeing the bees so helpless, Ben forgot all about being scared. His heart felt sorry for them. He knew they needed help. He had to do something brave. Ben ran to find his grandpa, who was sweeping leaves on the porch. "Grandpa, come quick!" he shouted, pointing. "The bees' home is broken, and they're in trouble." Grandpa put down his broom and followed Ben to the apple tree. He looked at the broken hive. "You have a very kind heart, Ben," he said softly. "And you were very brave to help them. Let's get them a new home." From his shed, Grandpa brought out a special wooden bee box. "This will be a safe, new house for them," he explained. Together, they gently placed the box on a sturdy log near the old broken hive. They stepped back and watched from a distance. Soon, a few curious bees flew over to the new box. Then a few more. One by one, the whole colony started to crawl inside their new home. The buzzing began to sound happy and busy again. Ben smiled, his heart full of warmth. He wasn't afraid of the bees anymore. He felt proud that he had helped them. He loved watching them buzz from their new home to the flowers, knowing he had protected the garden's most important helpers.